Current Affairs MCQ. Which country hosted the 2025 G20 summit? The options are A. India, B. Brazil, C. South Africa, or D. Germany. The correct answer is C. South Africa. What is exercise Trishul? A bilateral trade agreement. B. A tri-service military exercise in India. C. A UN peacekeeping mission. Or D. A climate change initiative. The answer is B. A tri-service military exercise in India. Where did the 2025 Delhi car explosion take place? A. Karol Bagh, B. Red Fort, Metro Gate, C. Rajpath, or D. India Gate. The answer is B. Red Fort, Metro Gate. Who won the 2025 Ballon d'Or? Options are Lionel Messi, B. Kylian Mbappe, C. Erling Haaland, or D. Vinicius Jr. The answer is Erling Haaland.